primary focus for this exercise is to dissociate movement from the hip and the shoulder. So we want to keep our hips externally rotated and squeezing the butt. The hands are going to stay nice and level with the chest. And again, you're imagining that skewer through the top of the head for your rotation. And then from here, we're squeezing the bum, we're twisting across, and we're letting the head and the hands fall. So there's a little bit of a twist occurring in the upper body, but again, not in the lower body. Okay, so butt tight, core engaged, legs are nice and wide, we're externally rotating the hips, butt's tight, and we're twisting through the mid-back. Imagine that skewer going through the top of the head. 2, good. Stay still in the hips, twist through the upper body. Good, let your head follow your hands. That's it, nice and close. Okay, 3 to go, Susan. You got it. Big twist. 1. Last 2. You got it. Twist. Good. Last 1. That's a better start position, Carrie. So here we have Carrie working on a T-spine row, thoracic row as I like to call it. Her primary focus is to dissociate rotation from the shoulders and the hips. So we've got to keep the hips nice and square and just twist through the upper body and pull back. Good, so sit into your squat a wee bit more, push your knees out, squeeze your butt hard, don't let your hips twist. That's better, and pull back round. Good, yeah, do that again. Stay square. Good. 4 more. Good, Carrie. Let those shoulders twist. That's better. Last 2. Hold that back position for a second. Yeah, and then open up again. Really nice work.